Imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing your coffee, checking your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account, all while you were asleep. It sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing, this is already happening. AI is transforming how people make money online. Those who learn to use it now are setting themselves up for passive income streams that can last for years. Right now, people are making thousands of dollars a month using AI-powered businesses, automated content, and digital assets that run without human effort. The problem? Most beginners don't know where to start. Which AI tools actually make money? How do you set them up the right way? What's the best AI side hustle for 2025? That's exactly what I'll break down in this video. By the end, you'll know 6 AI-powered ways to make money, step by step, even if you're starting from zero. And here's the best part. You don't need coding skills, business experience, or a big investment. Make sure to stay until the end, because the last AI tool I'll share is the most powerful moneymaker yet. All right, let's dive in. One of the best ways to use AI for online income is by running an automated online store, without dealing with inventory, shipping, or customer service. Most people fail at e-commerce because they struggle to pick winning products or set up a store from scratch. That's where AI changes everything. Instead of spending weeks figuring out what works, AI can do it all for you in minutes. With the Shopify AI Store Builder, you can have a fully functional e-commerce store set up and ready to make sales without touching a single product yourself. Here's how it works. AI automatically builds your Shopify store and fills it with high-converting, trending products that people are already buying. Then, the system connects your store to trusted suppliers who handle everything: manufacturing, packaging, and shipping. Your job? Just focus on marketing and scaling. No need to guess which products will sell, because AI analyzes market trends and selects items with high demand. For example, let's say AI identifies that a certain ergonomic office chair is trending. Instead of manually searching for suppliers, pricing strategies, and customer demand, AI handles it instantly. Now, you might be wondering, how do you actually make money with this? There are 3 main ways. First, you sell AI-recommended winning products and collect profits without buying inventory upfront. Second, you use AI-powered Facebook and TikTok ads to bring in customers on autopilot. AI can even write ad copy for you, so you don't need to be a marketing expert. And third, you can automate customer service by setting up an AI chatbot, so you don't need to manually respond to customer inquiries. It's all about automation. There are Shopify store owners out there making $10,000 a month or more, not because they're business experts, but because they leverage AI to do the heavy lifting. One Shopify dropshipper made $50,000 in just 3 months by letting AI pick the best-selling products and automate store operations. Think about that. No warehouse, no inventory, no headaches, just an AI system running a business for you. If you've ever thought about starting an online store, this is by far the easiest way to do it. But what if you don't want to sell physical products? What if you want passive income without managing a store at all? That's where AI-generated websites and blogs come in. Imagine having a fully automated website that makes money every month, without you having to write articles, update content, or manage the design. That's exactly what Hostinger's AI website builder does. Instead of spending weeks building a website from scratch, AI generates a full site for you in under a minute. You just enter a niche topic, for example, best fitness gadgets, and AI creates a professionally designed website complete with text, images, and page layouts. And here's the exciting part. These AI-generated websites can make money in multiple ways. First, there's Google AdSense. When people visit your site, ads appear, and you get paid per view or per click. If your site gets high traffic, this can turn into thousands per month in passive income. Then there's affiliate marketing. Let's say your website is about fitness. You can promote products from Amazon, supplement brands, or workout programs. And every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. And finally, you can even sell AI-generated blog articles as a service. Businesses pay hundreds of dollars per article. And since AI can write them instantly, you can scale this to a full-time income fast. Some bloggers are making $3,000 to $10,000 per month just by publishing multiple AI-generated articles every day. Instead of spending hours researching and writing, AI tools can generate content that ranks on Google, bringing in consistent traffic and income. So far, we've explored AI-powered online stores, automated websites, and AI-generated digital products. But there are still more powerful AI tools that can help you generate income effortlessly. One of the biggest opportunities right now is in video content. But creating professional videos takes time, effort, and editing skills, unless you use AI. That's where InVideo AI comes in. With just a simple text prompt, this tool can generate a fully produced video, complete with high-quality visuals, background music, and even voiceovers. No filming, no expensive software, no hours spent editing. Many YouTubers, TikTok creators, and social media marketers are already using AI-generated videos to grow their brands and make money. Some are building entire YouTube automation channels where AI does everything, from script writing to video production, allowing them to upload multiple videos a week with minimal effort. Others are offering video editing services on Fiverr or Upwork, charging clients for AI-assisted videos that take minutes to create. Short-form content is also booming, and viral AI-generated videos are helping creators rack up millions of views on TikTok and Instagram. If you've ever wanted to start a video-based business but felt overwhelmed, AI removes the barriers, making professional video creation easier than ever. E-commerce is another lucrative area where AI is making things easier. We've already discussed AI-powered Shopify stores, but if you're looking for a different approach, eBay dropshipping might be the answer. Traditionally, finding profitable products to sell takes a lot of research and trial and error. But with Zik Analytics, AI scans thousands of listings and identifies products that are already selling well. It compares prices across platforms like Amazon and eBay, pinpointing items with high demand and low competition. Instead of wasting time guessing which products might work, you get instant data-driven insights. Once you found a winning product, you simply list it on eBay, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships it directly to them. No upfront stock, no warehouse costs, no storage headaches. Many eBay sellers use this method to generate consistent income every month. And since AI does the product research for you, all you need to do is focus on selling. Now, let's talk about one of the most versatile AI tools available, ChatGPT. While most people use it for casual questions, the real money-making potential lies in content creation. Writers, bloggers, and marketers are already leveraging AI to produce eBooks, blog posts, and ad copy. AI-assisted eBooks can be published on Amazon KDP and sold for passive income. Businesses pay hundreds of dollars for well-written blog content, and with AI helping to generate ideas and drafts, you can scale your content writing services fast. Copywriting is another high-income skill where AI is making waves. Whether it's product descriptions, sales pages, or social media posts, ChatGPT can generate compelling marketing copy in minutes. Some freelancers are even using AI to create and sell Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, and Instagram captions, content that influencers and businesses pay top dollar for. The key is knowing how to combine AI's speed with human creativity to refine and personalize the content. Those who master this balance are turning AI-generated writing into full-time businesses. At this point, we've covered 6 powerful AI tools that can help you make money: online stores, automated websites, digital products, AI video creation, eBay dropshipping, and AI-powered content writing. And the best part? You don't need years of experience to start. AI is designed to handle the technical side, so you can focus on growing your business and scaling your income. Now, I want to hear from you. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future AI strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.